Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2011 Ford F-150. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks, chrome bumper and grille. A look down the passenger side, you have chrome wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires, running boards on the side, inside cloth interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. Rear backup sensors, a factory trailer hitch on the back. Taking a look at the bed, you do have a spray-in bed liner and then the Lear hard cap on top. Those are going to keep the bed very safe. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Cruise, audio, and Bluetooth controls mounted here. Full stereo, that includes a CD player. Climate control and your four-wheel drive controls are over here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure, whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this F-150 on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.